Today I will read a book. The book's name is Birds. This pelican has a big, long beak. There is a deep sack of skin under this beak. The sack holds fish that the pelican scoops up from the water. This bird is a roadrunner. It lives in the desert and spends most of the time on the ground. It eats fast lizards, snakes, and bugs. The roadrunner runs very fast to get food. This toucan lives in the rainforest. It has a big, colorful beak. It uses its beak to pick fruit from trees. This big bird is an emu. It cannot fly because it has small wings for such a large body. But it can run, but it has very long, strong legs. It can run very fast to get away from danger. This puffin eats small fish. It is short and flat and has a colorful beak. Puffins look funny on land, but they spend most of the time in the sea. They swim under the water with their wings. Most owls come out at night. They have big eyes to help them see in the dark. Their feathers are very soft. Many can fly without making a sound. Hummingbirds are the smallest animal. They are bright and colorful. They can stay in one place when they fly. They use their long beaks and tongues to get food from flowers. Eagles fly high above the ground. They can spot snakes, mice, and fish from high over land. In water, eagles have sharp claws on their feet and sharp beaks. They use their feet and beaks to catch food and rip it apart. Cockatoos have 6 sharp beaks that can crack open hard nuts. Cockatoos live in large groups. They can be very loud. Vultures eat dead animals. Many have no feathers on their heads. Many have holes on their beaks. Their holes help them to smell food from far away. Thank you.